In this tutorial, we'll explore how to craft dynamic motion backgrounds utilizing just a single line. After creating a new project, navigate to the Project panel, right-click and select New Composition. In the composition settings, you can choose the screen size. For this example, I will select the vertical orientation. Under the composition, right-click New and select Solid. Change name if you want and click on the color. Select any color you want. I will choose black. This will be our background. Now left-click anywhere on the screen to make sure nothing is selected. Select the pen tool and draw a big line outside of the composition window like this. Select the selection tool and drag it closer to the composition. Open Shape Settings. Click on Add and select Repeater. This will make copies of the original line. Now open up Repeater Settings and increase the number of copies. Now go to the Effects tab and search for Turbulent Displace. Double-click to add the effect. You can see that the shape of the lines has changed from straight to waves. You can increase the value of amount for a more wavy look and increase the size value for bigger waves in lines. Now hold Alt and left-click on the stopwatch next to Evolution. Go down and change this formula to time multiply by 20. Drag the playhead to the start and play the animation. You have successfully created a wavy motion background. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.